Shebeshit has been arrested on the early hours of today, the 12th of November 2025. This follows an incident which has happened on the 19th of October 2025. It is alleged that Shebeshit had a confrontation with another motorist, which led to him firing shots and in the interim injuring a male occupant of another car, whom was later rushed to the hospital under serious and critical injuries. This case has then since been under investigation, and it looks like this time around Shebeshit is not going to be let off the hook. The Limpopo Provincial Commissioner commented on the situation, saying that we are taking this matter very seriously, and a dedicated team was appointed to ensure that no stone is left unturned. The South African Police Service reiterates that no one is above the law, regardless of their social standing. This was the comments by the Limpopo Provincial Commissioner, Lieutenant Hadebe, when it looked like it was going to be one of his best years because he had one of the biggest songs in the country and his booking schedule looked absolutely insane. It looked so damn crazy. However, did he just blow it? Do you think that this time around Shebe is going to be let off the hook? It remains to be seen. It remains to be seen. Stay tuned on Extratainment and News. Litipi Bafetu. Till another video, till another episode. Are here.